US30 has this week risen in value. We can see it here. The price has started with this bullish candle. After the price has made breakout to the downside, we can see in the previous week with this candle the price has converted breakout as a valid one, and then it has stopped right here at this great demand zone, which is also confluence of support because of this downtrend channel, trend line, and also this horizontal support level. The price has started to move up, we can see it here, and the price has made a breakout to the upside with this candle here. Tried to break to the upside and made a breakout with this one here, and then did not return back down, confirming this breakout as a valid one to the upside, but it has continued to move up, which means a great bullish momentum has formed around this area here, and then pushed the price up. The price did not stop at the next resistance level, also did not stop at this supply zone, which is also confluence of resistance, but the price continued to move up, and it has closed the day above this very critical level. We can see it here, and it has stopped just on the start of this supply zone. Very important level is also this one here. Now if we go to the weekly time frame, we will see how this looks. After the price has made a breakout to the downside, we can see it here with this bearish candle, the price has started to move down, and it has stopped right here, which is very unclear support level between this one and also this one. The price has stopped on the daily time frame, but we can see on the weekly time frame very important levels that the price could hold is around this area here. This is the one where the price has stopped on the weekly time frame. But we can see very important levels are also this one here. We can see it here on the weekly time frame that has also confluence of support and resistance between these two candles and also these two candles. So the price has gone down and then reverses back up. Something has happened very important on the market where the price did not make a retrace up to this one and then continue to fall down, but the price has made a breakout to the upside, going inside this area, also making a breakout of this very important level I have mentioned the previous week analysis, and it has stopped right here. So currently the price is just very close to 360 price level, and it is above this very important level on the weekly time frame. So the price is stopped in between, which means the price needs to make needs to find a support in order to continue to move up, or it will find a resistance to bounce back down and retrace, or it will range in this area for a while. This is very unclear on the weekly time frame for now, but let's see how this looks on the monthly. We can see that the previous month did not close below this one very important level, which I have mentioned in the previous week analysis. The price is returned back up in these days, which means a great support for the price that has prevented the price from falling down. We can see that it is also a confluence of support on the monthly time frame. I have mentioned in the previous week analysis that we have 2 more days until the month ends, so we need to see how this will go. Will it close below that, which would suggest even more fall down, but in this case the price has bounced and reversed back up. On the monthly time frame, very important level, we can see it here right now, is this one area here. It is 3460, let's round it, 3460, very important level for the monthly time frame, but we have 4 more weeks until this month ends, so we will need to wait what happens on the weekly and also daily time frame. On the lower side, the very important level is this one here, 3270 and also 32800, very important range, which is also a confluence of support. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and see what is very important. Just to remember, very important level is 34600, and also below that is around 32800. So let's go here. 34600 is this one here, but we can see on the weekly time frame it is not 34600. Very important level is this one here, which is 345 as a round number, is very important level on the weekly time frame. If this holds, this will mean that the price has, if this holds, and this will mean the price has found a great resistance area which needs to be broken in order to continue to reach higher price levels. This is very important level for the price on the weekly time frame that needs to be broken. But here it is also, I have set very important level on the monthly time frame is this one here, which is 328. And if we go here, it is 328 price level. Here, very important, we can see it here, very great support. So these are the levels on the weekly time frame that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from going above or down. So if one of them has been broken on the weekly time frame, this will suggest where the price will go in the future. This is very hard to predict in the weekly time frame because of this strong candle where the price will move in the future, but we can go to the daily time frame and see what are very important levels. Now if we go and check like this, we will see how this looks. The price has gone outside of this downtrend channel, which is suggesting for the price that will continue to move up. But also we can see what happens when the price makes a breakout to the upside. We can see it making breakout to the upside, then return back down, confirming this breakout as valid one and continue to reach the next one where the price could stop is this one here. So I need to see after this breakout has happened, the price needs to return back down, confirming this breakout as a valid one. This breakout validation did not happen in this way, but the price continued to reach higher price level. So this means that price could continue to reach this area here around 34300 price level and then bounce back down. We can see when the price has reached this area, the price bounces back down, and also in this case when the price has reached this area, price bounces back down, even more down, and in this case when the price has made breakout, the price has bounced back down. So the price, after making a bounce from this area, retrace could happen and reach this area around this one here, which is this demand zone here, and then continue to try to make a break to the upside. We can see this strong resistance line, which is also monthly, very important level. We can see it here on the daily time frame. I have shown you that 34600 very important level, but on the monthly time frame, but we can see much more clearly that very important level on the daily is around 34300 price level that needs to be broken to the upside in order to continue to rise in value. Until that happens, I'm expecting for the next week this area here and then confirming this great support, and then we will see what will happen on the daily time frame. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.